Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Ethernet does not have a valid IP configuration in Windows 11. So how to fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that in the search box type ncpa.cpl. So type a ncpa.cpl and open it. Select the Ethernet, right click, go to your properties, select the Internet Protocol version 4 and click on our properties and select the use the following DNS addresses. One, the preferred DNS is 1.1.1.1 and the alternative DNS is 1.0.0.1 and click on OK button and close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a control panel. Open a control panel, click on internet options, click on connections, click on LAN settings and uncheck the use the proxy server. So uncheck it, click on OK and OK button. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the start menu, go to your settings of your Windows. After that, click on internet and network and internet. Click on advanced network settings. After that, click on network reset and click on a reset now. When you click on a reset now, your computer automatically restart and your problem is fixed. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a fourth method. The fourth method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is netsh space int space ip space reset and press enter. After that, type a command is netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. After that, type a command is ipconfig space slash flash DNS and press enter. After that, type a command is ipconfig space slash release. After that, type a command is ipconfig space slash renew and press enter. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.